Hi!
Hello Philippines!
And hello world!
So welcome to
Basilica del Santo Niño.
So now we are here covering the whole Senor Santo Niño Church.
Up, ay banggain pulis.
Oh, so now we enter the Basilica del Santo Niño.
Sure.
This is one of the picture frame in the Basilica del Santo Niño. So here is
Taring guys maribaw.
some saints in this Basilica del Santo
Uy,
Niño.
pagbisaya na lang dahil.
So this is Saint Monica.
Yeah. Si Mother Mary.
This is Saint Augustine.
What they name? Akat dito sa altar.
This is the image of
The picture sa altar eh.
so that was ang Santo Niño nga siya ang Santo Niño. Now, daghan kay dira niya para muhawk ni Senior Santo Niño.
Okay.